In front of me is Chewy HI Pad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Recorder app, and if you never used it before, hitting Allow in the pop-up. Then Allow in the other one. Now to start your recording, click on this red button on the right in the middle. You can pause your recording or unpause it using the same button. If you want to end it and save it though, click on this square one. Now you can name your recording however you want to if you want to, and hit save at the bottom right corner of save recording pop-up. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to access recording list from main screen, you can do that by hitting those three lines. Now to play your recording, just click on it. If you want to delete it instead, you need to hold it. Then hit this pin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my recording was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!